Baked fritters are soft and airy sweet treats, perfect for those looking for a less caloric but equally delicious dessert. Ingredients: 250 grams of type 00 flour, 50 grams of sugar, 1 egg, 125 milliliters of lukewarm milk, 25 grams of melted butter, 8 grams of fresh brewer's yeast or 2 grams if dry, a pinch of salt, grated zest of 1 lemon, optional raisins, powdered sugar for decoration. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. If you want to use raisins, soak them in lukewarm water for about 15-20 minutes, then drain them and pat dry with kitchen paper. Dissolve the brewer's yeast in the lukewarm milk. If you are using dry yeast, follow the package instructions for activation. In a large bowl, mix the flour with the sugar and a pinch of salt. Add the egg and start to combine. Incorporate the milk with the yeast and continue to stir until you get a homogeneous mixture. Add the melted butter and the grated zest of the lemon. If you have decided to use raisins, add them now. Cover the dough with a kitchen cloth and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 to 2 hours, or until it has doubled in volume. Line a baking tray with parchment paper, and with the help of 2 spoons, form small quenelles of the dough, spacing them out on the tray. Bake in the oven for about 15-20 minutes until the fritters are golden. Remove the fritters from the oven and let them cool slightly, then sprinkle them with powdered sugar before serving. Fritters are an ancient sweet, whose origin is lost in the mists of time. To stay updated with our recipes and curiosities, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and visit our website.
Dicevo ballo ballo ballo